Record levels of snowfall in Japan have left at least 17 dead and 90 people injured according to disaster management officials, the Associated Press reported. Much of the country's northern and western regions have seen persistent heavy snow in recent days, stranding hundreds of vehicles on highways, delaying delivery and public transport services, and leaving thousands of homes without power, the outlet reported. The scope of the winter storm has been unprecedented, with some parts of northeastern Japan reporting 3 times their average snowfall for the season. The Associated Press reported that officials said Monday that 17 people have died, some of whom had fallen while removing snow from the roofs. The officials urged residents not to remove snow from vehicles and roofs on their own due to safety concerns, the outlet reported. One elderly woman in Gingoog City, an area located around 300 kilometers, 180 miles, north of Tokyo, was found dead buried underneath a pile of snow that suddenly fell on her from her roof, AP reported. Snow in the area had piled up to higher than 80 centimeters, 6 feet, over the weekend. Heavy snow also knocked down an electric power transmission tower in Japan's northern region, leaving about 20,000 homes without power on Christmas morning, the outlet reported. Electricity has since been restored and the heavy snowfall is expected to ease from Monday. Japan is not the only country struggling with snowfall this winter. At least 38 deaths have now been linked to severe snowstorms battering the US and Canada in recent days, the BBC reported Monday. The storms have also heavily disrupted travel over the holiday weekend and left thousands of people without electricity. Officials have urged people to stay home, calling the storms a very dangerous, life-threatening situation.
Parts of eastern and northern Japan are struggling to dig out from heavy snow. Weather officials are urging people to stay alert for problems on the road. Hundreds of vehicles were trapped on a major highway in Niigata Prefecture. Almost 2 meters of snow has piled up in some areas. One man said he was only able to move about 10 meters in 2 hours. Niigata's governor has called for the deployment of ground self-defense force to help deal with the snow. Relief crews are distributing food, water and other supplies to drivers. And they're trying to get snow off the roads. The winter weather has also caused power outages. The region's utility says about 20,000 households in the prefecture were in the dark as of Tuesday morning. Japanese weather officials are calling on people to be careful of snow-related accidents after heavy snow hit Niigata Prefecture along the Sea of Japan and the neighboring southern Tohoku region. They warn of another wave of heavy snow in areas along the Sea of Japan from Thursday afternoon through Monday. The meteorological agency says snow will continue to accumulate in Niigata and the Hokuriku and Tohoku regions on Wednesday. As of 11 a.m. on Wednesday, accumulated snow measured 173 centimeters in Tsukayu in the Hakoda mountain range in Aomori Prefecture, 165 centimeters in Iwanyama City, Niigata Prefecture, and 126 centimeters in the town of Nishikawa in Yamagata Prefecture. Weather officials say accumulations of snow in some areas reached more than 3 times the seasonal averages. They are advising caution against traffic disruptions from icy roads. Some deaths have been linked to accidents during snow removal. Forecasters are urging people to be careful of snow sliding off rooftops and of accidents while trying to shovel it off high structures. They say people should wear safety belts when climbing onto rooftops and avoid working alone. They also warn that snow and icicles may fall from the eaves. Weather officials also say that in some areas, rain is predicted on Wednesday and temperatures will be 4 to 7 degrees Celsius higher than on Tuesday. They are urging people to avoid areas at high risk of avalanches triggered by the higher temperatures, such as mountains with deep snow. Officials say that from Thursday afternoon, a strong, Cold air mass will again bring rough weather and heavy snow mainly to the Sea of Japan side of northern to western Japan, the meteorological agency warns that more snow may accumulate along mountains and that flatlands may also be hit by heavy snow.